The Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, or NIGRIMS, which happens to be one of the premier health institutes in the region, is all set to receive a facelift under the newly appointed director, Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta, who aims to revamp the hospital, which caters to the needs of people from Meghalaya as well as the neighbouring states. Speaking exclusively to Northeast Live, Dr. Nalin Mehta said his first priority as the director is to address the shortage of staff in various categories, including deficiencies in the recruitment process. Secondly, he aims to complete the infrastructures in the hospital which have been stalled because of the COVID-19 pandemic.
First priority are the people of the entire state and the neighboring states who are our main catchment in terms of healthcare provision. They are the patients who visit NIGRIMS. So we can't let them down. Currently, we are facing an acute shortage of staff in various categories. And it's also because of the pandemic that we are combating and reasonably successfully well so far. So I aim to address these deficiencies. This would be my first priority. And then there are a few other projects that are coming up that were delayed because of the pandemic, because of construction had been stopped, the Regional Cancer Center and the new institution building. Now these are my second priority because without infrastructure, expansion becomes a little difficult.
Meanwhile, Dr. Nalin Mehta also raised concerns on the vaccination rate in the state, which he said is not up to the mark. However, Dr. Mehta said having battled the first two waves, the hospital is very much equipped to tackle the third wave if it comes to the state.
Who are double vaccinated, even if they contract COVID, it is a mild form. People who are not vaccinated get a severe COVID symptoms. And when it comes to mortality, unfortunately, even the deaths are very, very minimal in the people who are vaccinated, but the unvaccinated are more susceptible. So I actually have a prayer to the people, please get yourself vaccinated because we have our vaccination centers open, though the numbers that are getting vaccinated are not up to the mark. There are lots of people who are not vaccinated. So that is my plea, my prayer to them. There is no major side effect of the vaccine. But if, I respect the local traditions and the culture. I would not like to force anybody. But my request is this vaccine can be life-saving, not only for the people, but for their families. So for the sake of the children and the elderly at home, please get vaccinated. That's people.
It may be mentioned that Dr. Nalin Mehta, who assumed charge on September 11th, was serving as Professor of Physiology at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. He was also the first Indian civilian doctor to have wintered over for 16 months at the Indian research base Maitri in Antarctica as a member of the 12th Indian Scientific Expedition for Research. Besides this, he has also received a number of international and national awards, titles and degrees.